Well, everyone, the infamous saga continues. We're going to go ahead and break down the process on exactly how to connect your AirPods to really any Xbox One console. Now, I did a full video on this, but it just basically broke down every way to connect to your Xbox via your AirPods, but I didn't really go into details. So in this video, I'll break exactly everything down that you need to know. And by the end of it, you should be able to connect your AirPods to your Xbox One. Now, you will need a phone. You will need an Android phone or an iPhone. And another thing, you will be able to chat through your AirPods, but you will not be able to actually hear the sounds of the game playing. So keep that in mind. Now, the very first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store, whether it's your Android phone or whatever, and you want to download the Xbox app. Now it looks just like this, so you can go on your Android, you can go on your iPhone and do whatever, and you just want to basically install this app. It should only take a couple of seconds, and once you have it fully installed, you'll see a little app on your phone that looks like that. So all you want to do is go ahead and click that, and I already logged in, but you just want to basically log into your gamer tag. Now this is very, very important. You want to connect to the same network that is on your Xbox One that is on your iPhone. So you want to make sure they're connected to the same exact network. If there's multiple Xbox Ones connected, I'm not really too sure how that's going to work. You can just find your Xbox One to yourself and figure that out. But at this point, once you're logged in and everything, what you want to do is you want to hit the three dots or the three little lines up there. Now you guys can go ahead and add me. I'm never going to play Xbox ever in my life. I barely ever play, to be honest. But I already know a ton of people are going to add me, so you can. I'm just never going to go on it ever. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down until you see console, which is right there. So you want to go ahead and click that. Now you're going to have to go and set up your Xbox One. So you want to click set up as console. So I already did, as you guys can see, and I actually just disconnected from it, so you guys can go and do the same thing I'm doing. You'll see a little option that says connect to your Xbox or whatever. So you want to go ahead and click that. You'll get into this little pop-up. You'll probably only see one Xbox. Again, if there's multiple ones, that might be a little bit of a different story. And you want to make sure your Xbox One is on right now. My Xbox is right next to me. It's on currently. So once it's on and connected to the same network, again, that's very important. You want to go ahead and tap that. You want to go and connect. Now you can click connect automatically. It doesn't really matter. Now at this point, you're pretty much set. All you want to do, now you can go and click this if you want to and kind of see what's going on. But what you want to do is you want to click the three people that are up there. So there's two people, then there's three people. So these are just basically friends and stuff that I guess you have. I don't have any friends, so that's why I don't have any here. But you see the three people right there. Now this is what you'll basically do in order to chat through your AirPods. So at this point, you want to connect your AirPods to your Android or iPhone. It doesn't really matter. And you want to click start a party. So either you can start a party, you can look for a group, whatever. But if you want to go ahead and chat with people and everything, you want to click start a party. And so instead of sending an invite via your Xbox One, you'll basically set an invite through this specific account, through this specific app, and that'll basically give you the same exact access that you would on an Xbox One, except you'll just be able to chat through your phone instead. And by having your AirPods in, you'll be able to chat with people and everything through your Xbox account, just through your phone by using AirPods, which is really cool. So you would just basically click invite to party, you would just find a bunch of your friends that are connected to your gamer tag, and pretty much go from there. So that's really pretty much the process. That's a more in-depth tutorial on how to do it. Also, another funny thing, you can actually connect and move around your Xbox One console just like a remote by swiping here. You can click B and all that stuff here. So this also has the capability of doing that within the app, which is really, really cool. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below, as well as if you guys run into any of the problems, you can let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel, all those things rolling down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything, I also love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.